Once upon a time, a seed fell from the sky, from amidst the clouds, into the hands of a man. He wondered for a bit, and then he planted it. He nurtured it with PhD, his passion, his hunger, and his discipline. The seed grew into a giant tree called Successive, with branches spreading across the planet. Strong branches. Humans admired in awe, wondering what is it really made up of? Because no matter how the weather was like, heavy rains of doubt or storms of conflicts, it stayed in its place, strong, sheltering hundreds and thousands. What was it about Successive? What was it made up of?
A tree as strong as this couldn't have survived without a very strong core.
What's inside the core, if I may ask? And then he mumbled the 5 magic words. Joy. A mind that is learning is a happy mind, and a happy mind is contagious, and we are aware of that, and so learning never stops here at Successive, whether it's day 1 or day 1001. We celebrate human life. We celebrate kindness and love and joy. We work by inspiring and influencing. We believe that if every individual is given the decision-making power, the output is always going to be beautiful, and we like beautiful. Beauty brings joy, and joy has been the base of our greatest achievements. Agility. We are proactive. Our need for speed is almost as integral as the quality of our product. We are relentless, and we don't know how to give up. We believe in failing as fast as we can. Our third eye never leaves the sight of our final goal. We are mindful individuals and teams that are aware of agility being a superpower. We strive and strive and strive more until dawn meets dusk and dusk meets dawn. Value focused. We are a workforce of the new world. A world that focuses on quality and not just quantity. A world that needs care and attention more than ever before.
We are curious.
We ask questions.
The right questions that get us right to the root cause of a problem. We are always in the right place at the right time. We want to understand why we are doing what we are doing, and that is what makes us stand out in the world of technology. Integrity. We focus on the intent above anything else, and intend to do the right thing irrespective of how we feel about another sometimes, and intend to do the right thing whether someone is looking or not. We always have the greater good in mind. Everything comes secondary to our mission and vision. We are resolved at bringing balance between our professional and personal goals. We care about humans and their problems. We know that our integrity makes the core of our second home even stronger, and so we are here, always doing the right thing. Innovation. We solve thousands of problems on a daily basis, but there is one question that is always on our mind. Is there a better way to solve the problem? We work on intuition along with logic. We look at problems in a way nobody looks at. We quietly innovate. We believe in the power of a silent mind because we know only a silent mind is capable of coming up with solutions that haven't been witnessed before, which then connects dots that sit invisible to the rest of the world.
A tree as strong as this couldn't have survived without a very strong core.